we will check if there's no pilot light for the gas furnace right now. And the pilot light is supposed to be here. So we confirm that there's no pilot light. The first thing we have to do is shut off the gas bulb. And this is the line for the gas going to the pilot. And this is the gas bulb, so we have to shut it off. And make sure that the bulb is perpendicular to the line. And the next step that we have to do is to remove this pilot light assembly. Remove these two screws and the gas line going to the pilot, and this is the thermocouple. So our thermocouple is not working anymore. Now we have to remove the other end of the thermocouple from the gas assembly. And now is the gas line going to the pilot. And this is the pilot assembly. And this is the parts that we have to replace it, and it's the 24 volts universal 24 inches long with 30 millivolts, and this is our new thermocouple. And we have to remove the old one and install it on the pilot assembly. And this is now the new pilot assembly with a new thermocouple, and we have to install now. And we can hook up the gas pilot line. Make sure that it's not too tight, just snug enough. And now put it back, connect it to the gas assembly, the thermocouple. Same thing, it should be just a snag. Now make sure that the selector knob of the gas assembly is on pilot position. So it's on pilot position right now. The arrow is supposed to be on pilot position. And let's open the main gas shutoff valve right now. Now it's in open position, it's on parallel to the gas line. And now we have to lit the pilot light. But first of all, before you have to lit the pilot, just it should be start first the pilot. Okay, there's a fire right now, and I have to press the gas valve assembly. And can see that there's already a pilot there, and wait for 30 seconds before you release the gas knob. Now I can release this now. And we have a standing pilot right now. So our thermocouple is working right now. Now turn the gas knob into on position. And